Kra Pao, or Thai Basil Stir Fry, is one of Thailand's most iconic street food dishes. Bursting with heat, sweetness, and the distinctive aroma of basil, it's quick to make and full of bold flavor. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to recreate this delicious Thai favorite right at home. Start by finely chopping garlic and Thai red chilies. This is the flavor foundation of the dish. Heat oil in a pan or wok. Then sauté the garlic and chilies until fragrant. Add the minced meat of your choice, pork, chicken, or beef, and stir fry until the meat turns golden and slightly crispy on the edges. Next, season with fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. Stir quickly so the sauce coats all the meat evenly. Add a splash of water to bring everything together, and let the sauce thicken slightly. Finally, toss in a handful of fresh Thai basil leaves and stir fry over high heat. The basil will release its unique fragrance and tie all the flavors together. Remove from heat as soon as the leaves wilt. That's when the aroma is at its best. The secret to a perfect pad Kra Pao is strong heat and speed. Keep everything moving in the wok so the basil stays fresh and vibrant instead of turning dark or bitter. Serve it over steamed rice with a crispy fried egg on top, and you'll have the perfect combination: spicy, savory, and satisfying in every bite. What you need is minced pork 200 grams, 1 cup of Thai basil leaves, 3 cloves, minced garlic, 2 or 3 Thai red chili, fish sauce 1 tablespoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, water about 2 tablespoons, cooking oil 1 tablespoon, 1 fried egg, optional for serving, steamed rice to serve. And calories is approximately 210 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you love quick, spicy, and aromatic Asian dishes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where we bring the taste of Asia to your home kitchen.